Here's a problem with running an AI agent on your computer. The second you close your laptop, the agent stops. Can't check your messages, it can't run its tasks, can't do anything because the machine that it lives on is asleep in your bag. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to run an AI agent called Hermes around the clock on a server in the cloud, completely separate from your laptop. You shut your computer, you go to bed, and the agent keeps working. No coding degree required. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the AI Academy. My name's Eric, and on this channel, we take AI projects that sound technical and make them doable for normal people. Running your own always-on agent sounds like something only a developer could pull off, but it's not. So let me start with the what and the why, because the why is the whole point. Hermes is a personal AI agent that you run yourself. Instead of using someone else's app, you set up your own agent that can connect to your messaging apps, remember things over time, and run tasks on a schedule, like checking something every morning and sending you a summary. To do its job, it needs to be running constantly, and that's where your laptop fails you. Laptops sleep, they restart, they run out of battery, they come with you when you leave the house. An always-on agent needs an always-on machine. That machine is called a VPS, which stands for Virtual Private Server. Don't let the name scare you. A VPS is just a small computer that lives in a data center and stays on 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, forever. You rent it for a few dollars a month, and you control it from your own computer over the internet. When you close your laptop, the VPS keeps humming along in the data center, running your agent. That's the trick to the whole thing. Your agent doesn't live on your computer. It lives on a computer that never sleeps. So the first real step is getting a VPS, and this is where I'll save you some trial and error. I recommend using Hostinger for this. Their VPS plans are cheap, they're built to be friendly for people who aren't server experts, and setup is about as painless as it gets. So if you want to go ahead and get started with Hostinger VPS, we'll leave the link down in the description below. That'll bring you to this page right here. We can go ahead and click on Choose My Plan, and you can choose from 4 of their plans here. They've got KVM 1, 2, 4, and 8. For most of you, I recommend at least KVM 2 to get started, so just click on Choose Plan, and this will bring you to the checkout page here. And all you gotta do is go ahead and select the term you want to commit to here. And lastly, you want to come right here to this coupon code area and type in code CCM10, and that'll go ahead and take an additional 10% off. You can grab their lowest VPS tier or KVM2 here because running an agent that talks to an AI model over the internet doesn't need a super powerful machine. So a basic plan is plenty. Now, when you sign up, Hostinger asks which operating system you want on your server. Choose Ubuntu, which is a popular beginner-friendly version of Linux. Linux is just the kind of software that these servers run, and Ubuntu is the most common flavor, so almost every guide online assumes you're using it. After a minute or two, Hostinger sets up your server and gives you 2 things that you need to write down: an IP address, which is basically your server's home address on the internet, and a password. Keep those handy. Now we connect to it, and this is the moment that feels like hacking, but it's actually simple. You open a program called a terminal. On Mac, it's already installed and just called terminal. On Windows, you can use the built-in one. In that window, you type a short command to connect to your server, which looks like the letter SSH, then the word root, then the @ symbol, then your server's IP address. Hit enter. Type the password when it asks, and boom, you are now controlling your server. Everything you type from here happens on that always-on machine in the data center, not on your laptop. From here, you install the agent. The exact steps come from Hermes' own setup instructions, and good agent tools these days try to make this as close to one command as possible. Generally, you'll run a command or 2 that downloads and installs everything the agent needs. Then you give it your AI model key. Now, this is an important concept, so let me explain it simply here. So the agent itself is like an empty body. The brain is an AI model, and you connect one by pasting in an API key, which is just a password that lets your agent use a model like Claude or ChatGPT. You get that key from the AI provider that you choose, paste it into the agent's settings, and now your agent has a brain. So here's the most important part, and it's the part that most beginners miss, so pay attention. If you just start the agent normally, it runs only as long as your connection to the server stays open. The moment you close the terminal window, the agent stops. We don't want that. We want it to keep running after you disconnect and go live your life. There are a couple easy ways to do this. The simplest simplest is a tool called tmux. Think of tmux as a window on the server that stays open even after you leave. To start tmux, you just launch your agent inside it, and then you detach, which just means that you step away while leaving that window running. You close your laptop, the agent keeps going inside the tmux on the server. Next time you connect, you can peek back in and check on it. The more dependable option, once you're comfortable, is something called systemd. This makes your agent run as an official background service on the server, which means it starts automatically and, even better, restarts itself if it ever crashes or if the server reboots. For a true set it and forget it setup, systemd is the gold standard. Start with tmux to learn, then graduate to systemd when you want it bulletproof. And that's it. Your agent's now running on a machine that never turns off. You can close your laptop, shut it in a drawer, fly across the country, and your agent is still in the data center doing its job. Now, let me be honest with you about two things because I don't want you to be blindsided. The first is cost, and there's a part that people don't expect. The VPS itself is cheap. It's just a few dollars a month. But the agent's brain, the AI model, usually costs money every time it thinks. An agent running all day on a top-tier model can run up a real bill, sometimes a lot more than the server costs. The fix is to use a cheaper or smaller model for routine tasks and save the expensive ones for when you really need them. Just know going in that the server is the cheap part and the AI usage is the part to watch. The second thing is security. You now have a computer running day and night with access to your messaging apps and your AI keys. That's powerful, and powerful things need to be protected. At a minimum, use a strong password and don't go installing random things from people you don't trust. Treat your server like your house. Lock the door. If you want, you can take extra steps later, like setting up a firewall, but the basics go a long way. So let me recap the whole journey, because you just did something that a lot of people think is out of reach. You rented a VPS from Hostinger, a small computer that stays on forever. You connected it from your own terminal. You installed the Hermes Agent and gave it a brain by adding an AI model key. And you use a tool like tmux or systemd to keep it running even after you disconnect. Now your agent works around the clock, and your laptop has nothing to do with it. The big idea here is one worth sitting with. For a few dollars a month, you can have your own piece of the cloud that runs whatever you want, whenever you want, without your own machine being involved. Today, it's an AI agent. Tomorrow might be a dozen other projects. Once you're comfortable renting and controlling a server, a whole world of always-on possibilities open up to you. Now, if you want to grab the same Hostinger VPS that I use, the link and the discount code are down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And supporting the channel this way really helps us keep creating practical, beginner-friendly content to help you learn and leverage AI. So if you use them, we really appreciate it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video. Here on the AI Academy, we make videos that break down artificial intelligence tools, workflows, and strategies to help you stay ahead of the curve. Whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, or just curious about what AI can do. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.